In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a video thumbnail. If you want your video to look more polished and clickable, changing the thumbnail is a simple but important step. The thumbnail is the image people see before they press play, so it helps create a strong first impression. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to upload your own image and make sure it fits properly. To get started, open the video you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct editing or management area where that video settings are available. Once the video is open, look for the Customize section. This is where you can adjust visual details related to how the video appears. After you enter the Customize area, find the Thumbnail option. This is the setting that controls the preview image for your video. When you open it, you should see the option to upload a new image. Go ahead and choose Upload Image to continue. Next, select the picture you want to use from your computer. Before choosing it, it's a good idea to make sure the image is clear, easy to understand at a small size, and visually connected to the topic of your video. A good thumbnail should be eye-catching without being confusing, and it should still look good when viewed on smaller screens. Once you select the image, it will load into the thumbnail editor. From here, adjust the image as needed. Depending on the platform, this may mean repositioning it, zooming in or out slightly, or making sure the most important part of the image is centered and visible. Take a moment here, because even a small adjustment can make the thumbnail look much more professional. As you make these adjustments, pay attention to whether any key text, faces, or important visual details are being cut off. You want the image to feel balanced and readable at a glance. If the platform gives you a preview, use it to confirm everything looks right before moving on. When you're happy with the way the thumbnail looks, save your changes. This final step applies the new image to your video, so viewers will see the updated thumbnail going forward. That's it. Open the video, go to Customize, choose Thumbnail, upload your image, adjust it carefully, and save. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how your video is presented.